Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You've got the photo, now remove motion. First, open Photos and pick the live photo. You want to edit the asset itself, so tap Edit immediately. Once in Edit, look for the live photo icon or the live label at the top. Press it to reveal options. Make sure you choose a stable keyframe by dragging the frame picker. This sets the still image. You're doing this to replace the moving frame with a single crisp shot before finalizing the conversion. Once you have the keyframe selected, tap Make Key Photo so that frame becomes the main image. Then disable Live by tapping the Live button until it's off, which stops playback. If you prefer to keep the animated original, choose Duplicate and then Duplicate as Still. This creates a separate non-moving image. Make sure to tap Done to save. This converts motion into a true still without third-party tools and preserves the original when you need it later. You're almost finished. Verify the saved image shows no play indicator and looks still in Photos. If you use the photo as wallpaper, open Settings Wallpaper and turn off Perspective Zoom so the system won't add parallax motion. For broader control, go to Settings Accessibility Motion and enable Reduce Motion to cut system animations. If motion still appears, close Photos, restart the phone, or repeat the Disable Live step. That usually clears any cached animation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.